Longer mortgage tenures could have adverse implications for the property market, borrowers and banks if it becomes more widespread, and that's the assessment by Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister Tharman Shanmugaratnam. In a written reply to Parliament, he says the government will continue to closely monitor the property market.
Stretching a home loan out over 50 years does translate to a lower monthly installment. But this is just an illusion of affordability. Mr. Tharman says that the borrower ends up paying more interest. The repayment period could also stretch past the retirement age, when the borrower may no longer have a steady income stream. Analysts say the government is wary such loans could fuel speculative buying and undo its efforts to cool the property market.
Had property prices not been where they are, let's say they were to be increasing at a more moderate pace, I think affordability wouldn't be an issue and banks wouldn't need to go out that aggressively to offer 50-year loan tenors.
Analysts add that the move to offer 50-year tenor loans also reflects the stiff competition among banks. Loan yields in Singapore are at 2% compared to emerging markets like Indonesia with 6%.
I don't think the property market has cooled very significantly. It is still fairly healthy, according to analyst reports, and the UOB's 50-year loan tenure is probably more of an interbank competitive move to try and win over a bigger chunk of the mortgage market.
The government says its cooling measures in recent years have helped reduce the risk of a sharp escalation in property prices. Still, it has cause for concern. 50-year tenor loans first appeared 6 years ago in California, driven by skyrocketing home prices. California now has the second highest foreclosure rate in the United States.